Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes healthy. Start by selecting whole grain flours such as oat or whole wheat, which provide more fiber than refined options. Next, consider natural sweeteners like mashed bananas or a small amount of maple syrup to cut down on processed sugars. Finally, boost the protein content by adding eggs or a scoop of Greek yogurt to your batter for a more satisfying meal. These simple changes make a big difference. Let's dive into some smart ingredient swaps. Instead of regular milk, try unsweetened almond or soy milk to reduce calories and sugar. When it comes to fats, opt for healthier choices like a tablespoon of avocado oil or melted coconut oil instead of butter. For an extra nutritional punch, mix in 1/4 cup of chia seeds. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making your pancakes even more beneficial. Now, let's talk about toppings and cooking methods. Instead of sugary syrups, load your pancakes with fresh berries like blueberries or strawberries, and add a sprinkle of chopped nuts for healthy fats and crunch. If you do use syrup, a light drizzle is plenty. For cooking, use a good non-stick pan with just a tiny bit of avocado oil or cooking spray to keep them from sticking without adding extra fat. To wrap things up, here are a few more tips for your healthy pancake journey. Consider preparing your dry ingredients or even the full batter the night before for a super quick and healthy breakfast option. Don't be afraid to experiment with spices like cinnamon or nutmeg to add flavor without extra sugar. And for a little something extra, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.